So hey guys, welcome to a game called Alice Madness Returns. I really don't know what's going on. A lot of clocks.
Come now, Alice. It's only a dream.
It's not a dream, it's a memory. And it makes me sick.
Now, focus. Wait. You're floating again. Weightless. A cipher.
Some cards. Oh, people fighting.
I'm in hell.
Forget it. Abandon.
The heck is
memory.
that thing?
It's unproductive. Go to Wonderland.
I can't.
Oh god.
I'm trapped. My past.
Sergeant, this girl's badly hurt. Call for a doctor.
Ooh.
No, Alice. Discard that delusion. Forget it. Go to Wonderland.
I'd rather not, Doctor. My Wonderland's shattered. It's dead to me.
Your preference doesn't signify, girl. Now, Alice, where are you?
I'm sailing.
Oh, the
with a
Hetta.
friend. It's different somehow. Things have changed.
Change is good. It's the first link in the chain of forgetting.
What's
Oh.
happening?
Oh.
Are you mad?
I'm not mad.
Rabbit,
That's not right. What's he doing?
Oh.
is something wrong?
Oh.
Something wrong?
Oh god.
Don't struggle, Alice. Let the new Wonderland emerge.
Corruption? It's killing me. Wonderland is destroyed. My mind is in ruins.
Forget it, Alice. Block that dream. Wake at the
Oh
sound.
my gosh. Okay.
There, Alice.
Oh.
Better now, aren't we?
My head's exploded and there's a steam hammer in my chest.
Yes, well, the cost of forgetting is high.
My memories make me vomit. What can I...
Remember other things.
I want to forget. Who would choose to be alone, imprisoned by their broken memories?
I'll set you free, Alice. Memory is a curse more often than a blessing.
So you've said many times. And
I will say again, the past must be paid for. Now, before our next session, collect those pills from our high street chemist.
very well, Doctor.
It's my turn to forget, Alice.
Now, Charlie. Your pa was hung for killing your ma who beat you.
Oh my
Let's
god.
forget that, shall we? The past is dead, Charlie.
Alright, so we are in this mug. Oh. Some other kid's boys' room. Do you mind if I go in here? Hello?
Lou smells awful.
Worse than your room?
Okay. What do them boys want over here?
What's wrong there?
Can't find the door.
Okay. Ooh.
Wasting doctor's time.
I deserve my bitter tears. Want some?
Wasting doctor's time. Home, safe home. So it's like an orphanage type of thing. Oh. Abandoned toys, wore out shoes, have a past. The people who use them too. My past was by fire. Illusion news feed. 6 girls missing. Dang, and they're everything more. The world has gone quite mad.
10 years in the loony bin.
Oh, that's cool.
No relation. She's
But I'm good.
orphan.
In order. Who's who?
Mr. Payne had no idea how humble a home could be. If not for my drawings and the photographs, this could pass for my room at the asylum.
Is this my room? Photograph of my face. Yeah, okay, it's been posted. No message, no return, address. I'm grateful. for the moment, but I wish I could think the center. Alright, I did that. Anything in there? Got an umbrella. Is that my room? Probably guessing. Ooh, what are you guys doing in here?
Doctor's pet.
Too good for the asylum. Mad as a hatter without the charm. Killed her family.
Who'd want her?
Oh, it's not about me.
Another day, a different dream, perhaps.
Number 8, you good? What's this? Machine made.
You like Boccherini, Missy? How about Paganini?
Okay. Oh. So where am I supposed to be going? Is there like a map I can see? Oh god, we're at the market now. She has a big nose. Holy cow. Ooh, how's that meat going? That same... You good? That same piece of meat? Been hacking it away. Oh, unless I'm supposed to be following this cat.
Hello, Puss. Puss, 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 Puss. Don't be afraid.
Puss, 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 puss. What's happening here? Oh! Oh!
That'll teach you. Move along, Alice. Good. I can run you in just for being off your nut.
Okay. Kitty cat, kitty cat. Kitty cat went that
Now,
way.
where has that cat gone?
Ooh, skeleton. All living things die. Still, a creature's remains are always. Yikes, yikes, yikes. Kitty cat, where are you going? Oh my gosh, she is skinnier than skinny. Look at that stomach. Look at... Oh my gosh. You okay, miss? Jeez, you too.
Job, no changing nappies. Better than being a dog's body.
Excuse me, sir. You look like a discerning
Save
gent.
the world. 10 minutes at a time.
Okay.
Seems following furry creatures into dark holes has become a habit. I hope it's not a vice.
Is anything back here? No. Yeah, Mr. Kitty Cat. Oh crap! I lost him, didn't it? Didn't I? When the where did he go? Oh, this ain't good. Oh, hello. The heck is that? Oh my gosh. What the heck?
The stars and God.
And she has a big
Alice
nose.
Little. Slumming again, are we?
Nurse Witless. What luck. Twice in as many months.
Out on your own? You look frazzled, dearie. Not doing well?
Not really.
Come along home then and look at my pigeons. Pretty birds, like you.
I don't think so. Our last visit cost me several pounds and got me nowhere.
I might recall where your mangy rabbit got to.
Hmm?
Still a mess. No surprise. Her kin roasted like chestnuts right before her eyes. 10 years in Rutledge Asylum wasted everyone's
Wow.
time. Dr. Bumby won't do better. Still hauling out her questions. The fire, her memory. I deserve consideration, don't I? Who found her her new clothes? Who got her a place at Bumby's? Where'd she be without me? On the streets, selling her backside. Like Smith.
Ah, like them, okay.
She's doled out the odd pound or two. I know it's worth more than that. Kept her secret, haven't I? her to say, all died on my account, I couldn't save you. I've told her my silence is for sale. Cheap. I'm a good sort, really. Not like her nanny, that uppity whore. Or that lawyer fellow Radcliffe took her stupid rabbit. Need money. Warned her I'd tell the coppers if she didn't make a donation
don't burn it.
to my upkeep. She yells and goes off her head. This she can't remember her name, what I heard.
Damn. Damn. Alright, now we're on the rooftops. Gonna see how pigeons. Looking quite lovely. Man, look at this place. A lot of smoke. Smog, or what do you want to call it?
Do you mean to harm me? To send me back to the asylum?
I won't say no. I've a thirst you could photograph.
Need a drink.
Uh-oh. The heck is that? Oh, that ain't good.
Pretty birds, like you.
Go to Wonderland.
Oh no, am I going to my Wonderland? Yep. Oh, okay. Already done. Like the little word. Ooh. Gosh, I got blood on my clothes. Actually, it looks beautiful. This is my Wonderland. It actually looks cool.
Very upsetting journey. But I'm rid of Pris, or whatever she's become. At least the place I've landed is somewhat familiar.
Somewhat.
About time, too, Alice.
Oh, God.
Blasted cat. Don't try to bully me. I'm very much on edge.
Perfect. When you're not on edge, you're taking up too much space.
You're no help at all.
But you know I
And he's huge, too.
I'll frighten myself when necessary, thanks very much. I was hoping to escape from all that.
Abandon that hope. A new law reigns in this Wonderland, Alice. It's very rough justice all round. We're at risk here. You be on your guard.
Creepiest cat as ever. Oh, and not happened with tens. What the heck is that? That was like a bird, chicken, cow. God, there's some weird stuff. Ooh, what's that? Ooh, that's pretty cool. Cover memory.
That frog, Alice, I swear. You jump so well.
Oh. That was a pig. Whee. So it's like marbles. Whoa. Oh, is that me crying? Oh, that's cool. We're supposed to go from here. Okay. Woo! Oh. What the heck was that? There we go. Whee! Whee! Excuse me? Who was that?
If you leap from that table again, Alice, I'll expire. You're 2 times too reckless, my girl.
Well, she wants to have some fun. Whee! Oh, our memory.
Amanita muscaria, Alice,
What's
is
that?
merely a stinky toadstool. A spongy consistency, but poisonous.
Can I get down? Oh, man, I can't go in there yet. Whee! There's another one. Oh, man. Have to drink this. Drink me, yep. Some,
I've been down this road before. Good things in small packages?
Though lacking a bathing costume, a plunge in that pool is in order.
gosh, this cat.
My God. I'm shrinking in this potion. Shall I disappear?
No.
Almost. But the upside is that while smaller, you can see things that are nearly invisible to your bigger self.
Oh.
I get it. Quite. Forests for the trees. Just the other way round. Short-sighted is more than a matter of perspective.
Ah. Now I can go in the keyhole. Am I not shrunk? Oh, wow. It was a lot more. Look at that.
Look how small she's become, all curled up. She's barely there.
Oh, there's
What's
the,
in her hidey hole?
what's her name? The queen. Cut off your head. That type. There we go. Then up here. Alright, what is that? A twirl? Oh! 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 Am I dead? What the heck? Tooth? Or teeth? Oh, God. Pretty weird going into that. Oh! Hello. Alright, is there any... Ooh. Hello, Mr. Slug. How are you doing today? Oh, snail. I didn't see the hump. Well, he's stuck. Tree got him. They've been there for years. Alright, going through here. Bum ba bum ba bum bum ba bum 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 bum. Oh, like just say kill that way. Some like goblin type of thing. What was that? She is really drunk off of this thing. And house. Yep.
I'll never have more fun alone than when I rode the big slide in Hyde Park. Papa will take you soon, Alice.
How come these things are glowing? Can I attack those? Alright. Woo! Going down, going down. Oh, this is the slide that she was talking about. Okay. Holy crap. Oh, snails! Why are you on the track? Oh, God. Oh, God. Whee! Oh. Oh, this is not good. Blood. Ooh. What is that?
The Vorpal blade is swift and keen and always ready for service.
Cat? Got some telekinesis
I've
powers.
not come back here looking for a fight.
Really? That's a pity. One's certainly looking for you.
Uh-oh. Oh, the blade of doom. With the blade swash damage to a single target, at least close range. Okay. Oh. Dang, it kept the skeleton there. Alright, what is this?
Flight or fight implies a permanent choice.
Ooh, now she's crying blood.
The fight to another day. Choose your battles wisely, Alice.
Excuse me? What's been shaking, Lakin? Ooh, flowers? Is that, I guess that's my health? Okay. That's what keeps popping up. Come on, go. Let's get it right. Some teeth. Oh, first battle. Yep. Oh, what the heck? Oh, God. Oh, God. Hey, hey. Wow. Oh, take this! Yeah.
Gross and evil in
That's cool. Alright. Any more? No? Oh, what was that? You guys see that? Oh, that was a big sucker, too. That wasn't no small fella. I can't break that. Look at that. Butterflies. Some glasses.
A flower's purpose is simple
Oh,
and
this dude.
immutable. Human purpose is fickle, because it is a slave to memory. Memories must be strictly managed, Alice. Unproductive ones must be eliminated.
Eliminated. Alright, I don't see Big McGee anywhere. Oh, float. Okay. Whee! Whee! Alright. Ooh, almost missed this. Collect a bottle. Oh wait, you can dodge. Why are you jumping? Okay. Collect the tooth. Oh, almost didn't make it. Alice. Okay. Alright, what is this play? It's just, oh, this is the... Never mind. I thought this was the room where she has to eat the big or small cakes to make her big and small. But it doesn't seem like it.
It's you again, Alice. You may approach.
Why would I do that? You want to eat me?
Yes, well, you taught me manners, and I've lost my taste for mad women. Strictly a porcine diet for me. Everything's better with bacon, don't you agree? Of course you do. Now, there are pig snouts scattered about. I heard a few behind the house. Go fetch them for me. But take care for the pests that block your way. Pepper them up if they do. They need spice, and you're just the a girl to season them for me. You'll find that grinder serviceable.
Why not season your own pig parts?
Yeah.
A matter of priorities. My alabaster skin needs protection from the disgusting creatures running amok amidst the environs. But one gets peckish. Look, all you have to do is listen for the oink, then shoot the snout. You may like the results. I certainly will.
Okay. Man, she's big. Peppa! Yeah. So I guess later, when I help her out, that's where I have to go. Oh, God. Get out of here. Here we go. Alright. Get out of here. What? Damn it. Woo! heck was that? Is that these things dropping? Is that what that sound was? Oh! What? Get the hell off me! Dodge! Alright, so it is my health. Oh, get off, get off, get off, get off. Alright, come here. Alright. Go. Someone's like doing some weird growling. Unless that's the pig. Any flowers? Oh crap, it's you. Baby McGee. There we go. Oh. Okay. Aim it. Pepper. Bam. Okay. That's it? What? Okay. Let's get up here. Oh, get off of that. Gosh. So is it floating? What the heck am I stuck on? Alright, get some of that. Alright, it was nothing. Fantastic. Alright, Lady McGee, I, sent your flying weird pig thing back.
Thank you so much for the snout. Now go away.
Okay. Will do. Oh, okay, I just had to break it more. I was like, how come I can't collect it? Going through the keyhole. Pig snout. Damn. Yeah. Oh, that's what those red things. Okay, they were my pepper stuff. Oh shit. Oh god. Oh no. Woo! No! Oh my god. No, hit him. Here we go. Wasn't there one up there? Or can I just do this? Oh, okay. Yep, there's one up there. Like so. Oh, okay. I already got him. It's just this one down here, huh? Bada bing, bada boom, baby. Bada doo doo doo. Come here. What? Come here. Yeah. Alright, damn. Alright, let me collect these. Get my flower back. What is this? It's nothing. So What is that up there, though? Damn. Shot again. Alright, well, I can't reach that. Need like another bushy pad. Rainbow? Ooh. I hear pig. Snout. What do you want to call it? Snout pig. Oh, what? You douche. Here we go. I need higher ground for that. Wrong button. There we go. Bing! Ah, okay, there we go. That's how we get it.
Finish your suit, girls. Bovine juveniles gave their all for it.
What the heck is that? Like a moose turtle. Or a cow turtle. Alright. We got a mover. What? That is some bowl. Get up here. Go. Ooh. Alright. And then bada bing, bada boom. Grab this gold. There we go. There we go. And don't go in the abyss. Don't go in the abyss. There we go. Oh, battle time. Ugh. Yeah. I'll just attack you. There we go. Some like weird slug looking things. Alright, get out of here. Oh, shoot. Oh, those guys are like one hit. Oh, God, it's way down. Oh, we got a storm brewing. Well. Pretty much that. Oh God. Oh God. Oh no. Okay. All right, we go again. There we go. Here we go. Damn. Oh, don't charge. Alright, where do I go from here? From here. What's over that? Ooh, I want that. Shit. Okay. So is this a memory? Yep.
The railway running through Wonderland sounds charming, but inefficient. Noise and smoke, like like snips and snails, perhaps. Best to forget that train. A monitor.
Damn it.
Conductor. Oh,
Oh, don't tell me that I cut him off from talking. Alright, let's get down. Bada bing! Oh, here we go, here we go. Yay! Who in the heck is bringing the whole place down? It's like... Oh, creepy kid. Yikes. Okay. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I mean, do that. There we go. Oh, I dodged! I clicked it right after I killed him. Oh, wait! Oh no, oh no, oh no, come on. There we go. What'd I do? Oh, I can upgrade. Cool. Get 15 strength to upgrade your blade. Yes. Upgrade you. You don't have enough teeth. Well, that's pretty cool. Ooh, that growling.
I'd always hated mechanical malfunctions. This disaster is either his doing or his epitaph.
Who's doing? Is that why the place coming down? Because it's someone doing it? Alright, well. Let's see, can I... Ooh, is there a way... No. Alright. Well, the next saving point, I might end the episode. Oh god. Shaking is unreal. Okay. Okay. Bang. Oh, please don't laugh. That would be very appreciated. Oh, I didn't say you. Ow! Douche. Ain't going back there anytime soon. I don't know if it's saved. Ooh, someone's walking. Alright, well, there went it saved. So, if you guys like this, please like, subscribe, comment. If you guys want to see Alice Madness Returns. Everybody, have a nice day. Bye-bye.